control board. All right, we got the power unplugged. Take all your neutrals off. Condition motor. Low voltage wires from the thermostat and condenser. Get all that out of the way. And of course, I got my jumper on there that I have. These are just pork. I always take my knife. Think it like that. First, get one in the middle. Must have popped back. There we go. Same thing over here. Didn't like that. One up at a time. There it is. Oh. This thing's had better days. Of course, got a little warm. I'm looking to see these look pretty much it. Just put it right in here. Snap. All right. Put that in there. That goes in there. You got a neutral. 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 Transformer. Neutral. One more neutral. What do we got? Here's the jumper wire that I have. This is a blower. High speed. Goes on cool. Goes on heat. We'll put these on park. Park. And goes on park. This transformer. Let's see. This is X-former right there. Alright. This one comes off the switch. Door switch. Should be L1. Line in right above it. Bam. Now goes our no voltage. Common. From the condenser. You don't have a common from the thermostat. And then a green. For fan. Red for 24-volt hot. Then we got a W for heat. And we got two left. Let's go for your Y. Both go under the same terminal. I'm coming from thermostat, feeding the outside unit. And if you look at your neutral block, they're all tied in together. So it really don't matter, you're not gonna hurt it. They say it does, but they also have like X transformer, line, neutral, but they're all tied in together. So you ain't gonna hurt nothing if you get them mixed up. Here we go. All tied in. Now all I gotta do is put the doors on and see if it runs. There it goes. Thank y'all for watching.